am so excited to show you our new playground equipment, and I just want to thank Doug especially and Coach Steve Nosbush for putting it in, because I know that was a lot of work. So thank you so much to them, and thank you to Mrs. Swanson and Dr. Swiontek for helping us get the grant money to do this. Thank you to the North Dakota Department of Education, because they started this with a music grant to enhance your students' learning. And so we came up with how fun it would be to have this musical playground equipment. And then also, especially, thank you to the Sickles Foundation, because we were able to get so many different things. We have 7 different things so that different kids can be playing instruments at the same time. So everyone will get a chance to do this. We will do some lessons, and it will just be to play on, because it's fun. So over here we have a set of 4 flower gongs, and each pedal will make a different sound. So if we play on this blue one here, you're going to hear a different sound on each one. And what we can do with these for a lesson is we can listen for the highs and the lows, which one was higher, which one was lower. We can do different beat patterns. So there's a lot of different fun things that we will be able to do with this. Can you turn the camera this way? Over here we have a drum right now. It's covered with ice. This is going to sound way better when it's not covered with ice. So that's pretty fun. We can practice all kinds of beat patterns. Over here, we have I think it was called a glockenspiel. It's a bell set. So they're tin bells. Because it's so cold out, I think is why they are ringing so much more. But each note will ring its own tune. And we might have to do this to get them to stop, because they ring a long time. Thank you, camera lady. Come way up here. Okay, we're gonna play a song. Here we go.